Let's see. I know. Let me see. Let me see. It's okay. I didn't want to smear it into her hair, so I was able to get it. It was just a chunk of pus. And then gently see if there's anything else that'll come out. Checking to see if there's a cut. She's okay. She didn't, scream or whine, so. See about the other side. It's okay. Let's see. It's okay. Yeah, so earlier I didn't clean that side, and that's been there for days. It obviously isn't there for a minute. But it's okay. I mean, it's a puppy. I take such good care of you, huh? It's okay. You miss your brother? I'm sorry.